Did you know that there's a toolbox right in your smartphone? You can't use it to hammer in nails, of course, but here are 5 really cool things which you can do with your smartphone right now. Now would be a good time to hit the subscribe button below and the bell icon just beside it. So here we go. Starting with the simplest, at number 5 we have a flashlight app. But don't mistake this for the simple torch app from your old Nokia. This app has loads of bells and whistles, from making your screen bright in any color to flashing the light and even sending Morse code messages. This is so cool, I wish I knew how to read Morse code. At number 4, the next time you need to read the really fine print in an instruction booklet, you won't need to borrow a magnifying glass from Mr. Holmes next door. Just download this magnifier app and you're good to go. At number 3, ever need to measure something small, like a coin or a screw or something? The Smart Ruler app is a must-have. Just place the item on your screen and pinch your fingers for an accurate measurement. At number 2, if you're ever hanging a frame or assembling furniture, you have to be sure that it's level. Carpenters always carry a spirit leveler with them for the same reason. This spirit level app uses the gyroscope sensors in your phone and provides you with a 2-axis leveler. Keep the bubbles in the center and you can be sure that you have assembled the table just right. Number 1. You can't always carry a measuring tape with you for emergencies, can you? Well, actually you can. Most modern phones, including iPhones and Android, now support augmented reality based measurement. Check the link in the article to know if your phone supports this really handy feature, and the next time you go furniture shopping, you don't have to wonder if that cupboard would fit in your kitchen. Of course, we won't leave you hanging without a bonus, would we? Next time you're hunting for the lost screw, nail or coin on the floor, consider using a metal detector. Yes, this app uses the compass in your phone to convert it into a very useful metal detector. It's not very powerful but can be very useful. Remember, this won't work with all metals, just magnetic ones like steel, iron and nickel. Leave us a comment below on how you found any of these tools useful, and you could win some really cool talking stuff goodies. Also remember to subscribe to our channel and follow us on Twitter and Facebook. Thanks and bye.